In a sovereignty system, two bodies propel and interact with each other. So they are connected and can be considered as a single body, although they could be light years apart. Just like an atomic nucleus and all the electrons orbiting around it are considered as a single body, atom. This new single body that has become can in turn form a larger sovereignty system with another body. This in turn can be viewed as a larger body. We call the system for the new single body and the larger body the system below and the system above. We have seen that such a system could arise due to the collision of two bodies, and gravitational constants will also arise by accident. This means that each system has its own gravitational constant, which is valid for every point mass in the system. So all mass bodies in a system are governed by its constant. Also for those who are themselves formed by the one sovereignty system and have their own constant. In other words, there are two constants in a below system, a below constant of its own and an above constant that belongs to the above system. Because the strength of the force between two-point masses in one system depends on the gravitational constant and the force always assumes the greatest possible values, the below constant in the below system must not be smaller than the above constant. Otherwise, the below constant becomes ineffective and the below system is broken. In order for a system below to exist in a system above, its gravitational constant must be larger, at least not smaller than that of the above. For example, our Milky Way could be a member of a sovereignty system consisting of two galaxies. And a binary star system in the Milky Way is possibly the below system in this galaxy system. An oxygen molecule composed of two oxygen atoms can be considered as a below system of this binary star system, if it exists on a planet in the system. The oxygen atom is in turn a below system under the molecule system and also originated from one that is still lower below. The further below a system is, the larger its gravitational constant must be. This also makes the gravitation all the stronger. And we saw that the gravitational constant is proportional to the square of the velocity. And the smaller a body is, the faster it usually runs. And the faster a body moves, the greater the repulsive force when colliding with another, which plays an important role in the emergence of a sovereignty system. Especially if it moves extremely fast, the gravitational constant could also be extremely large. If we consider all natural forces as gravity, it is no longer surprising why natural forces in the microscopic world are extremely stronger than gravity for the solar system. So every system is a single body with its own gravitational constant, which could be formed from different materials. This is the basic principle for the creation of the whole material world. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.